Adeshimai, it will be a by Express TV. So, I was on for lucky and I want to make at the Asham not for myself. So, when you subscribe here, or best subscribe here, like, share, comment to your YouTube channel, and send a latest update to your Sabede. Ebeka, na say a coin some so dia na ye call Beam Nation former president, your friend says Tomboy. Aha, Tomboy, one guard. Na, I come here and say, well, post two picture be. Edi afọ no angasa ne social handle no mu ba kona emu na picture ne enko kan photo no yen kan de wo so a sa wanya recognition way back 2017 abra Morgan Heritage feature no ewo enwum bia friend say Avracadabra. Aha, Avracadabra na emu na sa Grammy award ya sa akwade apere ho say obeji bia wanya jibre yes stone waje award no nebum de recognize no say collaboration na and a future na Abrante FM say Morgan Heritage feature no one of the best collaboration in reggae history and a reggae dancehall history etiemu na Abrante nya recognition certificate na eche bia na Abrante ya postu sa picture e dia phone no ankasa ne wo na no na fans for so a react o money agel say ye bia papa ye nipa Beam Nation dio etu di obetia dey see beam to the world etu we say we record for Beam Nation and a Beam fans no say ono so anya recognition for Grammy award say collaboration or collaborate Abrante friend say Heritage Morgan no Avracadabra so etimi anya recognition ewo Grammy for ensema yamani certificate and are satisfied idea e bon ho ban say enokre say bibisa so aiden akoso eti say no mo Stonebwoy for the contribution on top Jamaican band Morgan Heritage. Avracadabra album became the second Ghanaian artist after Rocky Dawodi and Dawuni 2016 to be named for Grammy glory. The Beam Nation president shared photos and video on social media to announce receipt to the prestigious certificate from Grammy. It was Sony and Nigeria what Beam Nation asweye and then the fans for asweye I pese ye kan e ma ye so ye viewers for so ye den ehun bi order for ha and amedemu ebesi mesew se wunya subscribe ya obe subscribe, like, share, comment to your YouTube channel no. Send a bear update full be a betomu be a king was on Saturday. Ebeka Macrow. Bye bye.